Hey y'all, it's your girl MadiAdore and I'm back with another video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like, comment on my videos. Right now y'all, it's 4th of July, so you know we're outside. We gotta celebrate 4th of July. We'll see some fireworks, all that. But I'm about to go on the boat. My friend's dad has a boat, so we're about to go on the boat. We're about to enjoy the boat, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. It's the same boat for the mall. Yeah, I don't know if I want to split it up or not yet, but we'll see.
You can do the weekend of the 4th.
Yeah. Yo, I feel so fancy with my stuff.
Everywhere you want me to be.
Okay. Okay.
I'm getting a little room tour.
Yeah, this one.
Just a little bit. This is cute. It's the bathroom. Okay. This is nice. This is very nice. Alright y'all, so got our little tacos from Surfside. Let's see, free at the wharf. Little shrimp tacos. Me and the little chicken. It's very tea.
Very tea. Oh, we got.
Yeah, we also got chicken wok. Period.
We're fucking up. We're freaking up this. Are you vlogging?
Yes. I want to say hi to the vlog.
Yes.
Hey vlog. Period. Y'all, we about to watch the fireworks. The sun is setting. Oh, I see it. What? It's a fish. Ooh. So y'all about to watch the fireworks. I see everybody outside. Hey vlog, we made it to the pool party. Young and turn. Young and turn. Our vlog, they done told us, yes. I'll stop me though. They told us that the pool was closed. So yeah, we are having fun. It was fun, but they telling us the pool is closed. Like, what they feel like?
They kicked us out.
What they
They
feel
kicked us
like?
out like shit. I'm like, what the
What
fuck?
they
What
feel
you mean the
like?
pool closed?
Like, it's 8 o'clock. Let's see what time. It's, hold on, let me turn that phone off so I can see. It's 8:29. Tell them though what they mean pool closed. What? Yeah, we still here. We still having fun. y'all, it's a new day and I'm in New York right now. You know, we end up in New York as always. So I'm about to go get my hair done and I want to get the little like half up, half like the back out type of situation. So I'm gonna go to Africans and see if they can braid the front half of my hair, and then I'm gonna have the back out, and then like I'm gonna like do like little wand curls, if that makes sense. So yeah, we'll see, and hopefully it turns out cute.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Todd, can you play that again? I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody. I don't care about your body. Front of it, get 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 body. Front of it, from the back, get body. Front of it, I don't care about your body. Front of it, get body. I wanna live in your skin. 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 When I jump out, you jump in. When I jump out, you jump in. When I jump out, you jump in. Round two, he want revenge. Over and over again. Over and over again. Over and over again. Over and over again and again. I really need somebody.
Alright, y'all, so this time my hair came out. Alright, y'all, so I'm in this store right now and I'm trying on these little spider pants. Do I like them? I don't know if I should get them or not. We'll see. They're cute. They got cute stuff in here, y'all. Variety. I'm gonna show y'all when I go back out. Y'all, they really have so much stuff in here, y'all. They even had these little pants. I want these real bad. Like, there's so much cute stuff in here. Like, even like, look, down to the jeans. They have a really cute. This is really cute. But I think I'm about to get the sweatpants. So yeah. Alright, y'all, bag secured. And y'all, he just read my little tattoo, and I'm like, oh, do you speak Arabic? You can, you know, let me see if it's correct. And he was like, yeah, it say one of a kind. Don't play with my tattoo, y'all. Some people be trying to play with me like my tattoo don't say what it's supposed to say, but it say what it's supposed to say for sure. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I finished shopping and I'll show y'all probably what I got. Well, not really, because I got some sweatpants, a little set, and like 2 black shirts when I went shopping earlier. But it was really nothing. It's really nothing to see. Y'all already showed all the main, you know, the main event. But right now we're at this place called 𝐜𝐭, and it's like a little pork belly spot, and it's so cute inside. So, you know, I'm having a little fun time in New York today. This time it's actually calm. I've always be here all the time. This time it's actually really, you know, yeah. Alright, y'all, so it's a new day and I just wanted to show y'all the finished product of my hair. Y'all see I curled the back, so it's super cute now. And you know, it eats down. My little hairstyle eats down. Stop that. And right now I'm about to do more shopping. Oh yeah, I'm on Chinatown. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like so like, oh my god. It's super, it's giving Rose City-ish. So yeah, y'all. Hair team.
Can you play that again? Maybe you should try to 𝐜𝐭. I pick up another you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? I'm a fan of the roof gone. I pull out a Jimmy Neutron. Can help you get a move on? Like 𝐜𝐭, and I know you like to go slow. 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 But we could go fast, faster, 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 faster. Maybe you should try to 𝐜𝐭, 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 try to 𝐜𝐭. Pick up another you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? I'm a fan of the roof gone. I pull out a Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like 𝐜𝐭, and I know you like to go slow. But we could go fast, faster, 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 faster. Tell me the answer. Slide city, you know what that mean, that mean, that mean, that mean, that mean.
We outside, we in New York, and we at the little Dominican parade, y'all. Okay, it's fine, it's deep. Let's say y'all deep, deep. Y'all there fun. You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Y'all see it.
Parade's over, and we're still in the Bronx. We're just in the gas station right now. Hopefully we find something else to do. The parade was good. It was cool. It's just so hot outside. Like when I tell y'all the sun was beaming on us, like it was beaming. But yeah, so now we're sitting here. It was fun. It was a cool little experience. And I'll be trying to find the next move. So